is a decent sized whale, so it is an adult. And he's just slipped back into the water, so he may continue hunting for food down in the sub-Antarctic zone. They're a long way away and very hard to get to. Dunedin is the only place on the planet that you can leave a modern city, take a short boat trip and view albatrosses. And there's 2 or 3 that are visible up there right now, although they're well hidden in the long grass. There are albatrosses sitting down in their nest, those white dots up there in the grass are the northern royal albatross adults that are sitting down on their egg, incubating. We'll see other nesting adults as we go further out and around. An albatross may appear in flight above at any moment, so keep your eyes on the skies. At the moment, just some of the nesting adults visible. Now, northern royal albatrosses breed every 2nd year. 1 egg per pair every 2 years. It takes a full 12 months from the pair of adults mating until the chick fledges and leaves the nest. So the 2 adults, they are together for 12 months raising their chick. But when their chick fledges and leaves the nest, the 2 adults separate. And they spend the next 12 months apart, circling the Southern Ocean. They return the following year and reunite. All have a salt gland in their skull. The salt gland, which is behind their eyes, works a bit like a kidney. Their salt gland removes the excess salt from their bloodstream and they excrete excess salt through their nostrils. You might see the fluttering shearwater disappear beneath the surface. They fly underwater when they chase fish. They swim by flapping their wings, just as they do in flight. Huh? Yung mga pato.
Majority of them are only found.
What's the difference between seal and sea lion?
So a sea lion is a lot bigger. And the sea lions
Island.
actually eat reptiles.
Oh, it
Most
seals.
of the last 200 years, all of the sea lions
Wala,
had
nag-dive na.
Yeah, the sea
retreated
lion is like the
south,
apex predator in this.
leaving
Much bigger than the seals.
escape human
Yeah, so
predation.
these guys are massive. Generally, they'll be on the sand,
The big
and then the fur
fella's
seals will be on the
gone
rocks.
shy.
Generally.
Hiding under the
So you
suit
can see him. Wait, is that another one?
Maybe that one. There's
Maybe
another
it's
one.
another one. This guy here.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe it's because it's kind of might be a rock, honestly. Oh yeah. But look there, he's moving. He's on the move. He'll pop his head up in a second.
But if the seals go bigger, they become sea lion? No?
No.
So
No.
totally different.
Yeah.
If you look to our right, you can see the water
Sea lion daw, bigger ka on seal.
free.
Ang seal, itong seal, itong sarada yun.
This area
Every year, thousands of native species come back in a couple hundred years, and hopefully this whole place will be covered in native coastal forest. Notice in this paddock up here on my right, we have some furry little lawnmowers. So we got guanaco, those are the ones closest to us. The more tan, awkward looking guys, that's the ancient forebear to the alpaca, which is further back in the paddock. And then we also have some Otago lamb, that's a New Zealand heritage species. But yeah, the guanaco are quite cool. If anyone's been to parts of South America, they still roam wild there in Chile, Argentina.
Yeah. So how did you bring them here? Or
So
were
the-
they imported?
Yeah, imported a long time ago, and these guys were kind of a gift from a local farmer. He just got too old to care for them. Yeah, we're all animal lovers here, so it's nice to have them, but they do also serve a purpose. They keep the grass short, which keeps the predators that way. Not quite yet. A couple more months and they'll be there. Yeah. So they'll want to put on a weight because when they go into the molt, they don't do anything for about a week. They shed for 3 weeks, and then the third week it's a regrow, and then that final week it's just waterproofing. So they have an oil gland near the base of their butt. They'll take that oil, rub it throughout their pelt, and kind of waterproof themselves. And then waddle their way into the forest where we have lots of those nest boxes. And I'm about 99% sure that we got a pretty nice flock of blackback seagulls on the main middle part of that beach, but we'll get a closer look here shortly. An ostrich, really colorful, went extinct about 600 years ago due to predation by the Maori. There's a species of tree I point out for our plant lovers when we come in here called the lancewood. It's really, really cool. It evolved to avoid predation from the moa. It's got these long, sharp, hard leaves. The moa would take a branch, grab it, and strip the leaves. So this one evolved around that. Once it gets to a certain height, above the grazing height of the moa, those leaves branch out, they become shorter, they go off at 90-degree angles, like your typical deciduous tree. But yeah, I'll point out when we're in here. I think it's super neat. Yeah, take a look.
Kapot ka mama. Giwa na, pero this type of animal.
Sabit lang.
Painot ka sinda mama, mag dyan ka. Doy, mauna kayo.
That's the juvenile lancewood that he's talking about.
This kind of tree.
Yes, that's what he's talking about. Yeah.
What's the name again?
Lancewood.
Lance
The botanical name is a Pseudopenax.
Pseudopenax.
So when it's small like that, it's got those serrated edges, so the mower couldn't eat it. So it's quite amazing how the forest is.
Magaragos ka kanina, mabasakat ka. Oh, birds. Oh, what's iguana? Oh, what type of bird is that?
If it's black
Black, yeah.
with a little white tuft, then it's a tui.
Two-way.
Yeah. Or just with orange beak, then it's a black bird.
What bird is this?
This is the New Zealand bird called the poo gecko. It's got the little babies. It's got blue feathers. Do you know the poo gecko? Have you seen it? No, okay. Technically it's called the Australian sword poo. But the little babies, and it's quite lovely because it's blue. It's like that kind of blue. This one? Yeah, see the blue front? And it's got babies.
Oh, yes. Blue. Dark blue.
Turun mo doon.
Oh, because I want to use my computer.
Cannot see.
Ako wala.
Wala na.
You have to adjust yung zoom. Para hindi
So is that an enclosure or they're
No, everything is cool.
Kaya mo? Medyo pasakat kidiit. Ino tama, may bye-bye na kilala ko pala. What are you looking at, Doy?
Now, two blackbirds
yung itim na bird?
on the
Ah.
beach.
Oyster catcher.
Two
Dude,
blackbird.
You're blocking me.
Oyster catcher, ha?
Saan na nawala ko? Oh.
Yeah, yeah. So if there was, like, for example, a very rare yellow-eyed penguin.
Rambutan yan eh.
That's the Peninsula.
Oh.
And so it will come out red as well.
Itong isa mabagal din, no? Tingin.
Ako nga, lagi natutumba pa kasi sila na sa akin. Paano pag natumba ako?
LSD.
Sige na, tignan mo ito.
Paano ko itingnan?
What are we?
Oh.
We're looking for penguin here?
Yeah, so we can look from there too.
Yeah.
And we won't spend too much time.
No, it's fine. We look at the lantern. It's
Cool.
just beautiful.
So I was pointing out there's a sea lion, bottom left corner, and then there's some fur seal on the rock. More morning and evening, like the northern penguins, but I've been seeing midday, late day, early morning, late evening.
Sarang na ano?
It's just less about the
Sila
tides
yun.
and more about when they switch off, because these chicks are eating on pregnant pieces of the cycle. They're coming in. Yeah, so and their stomachs. It's pretty digested. Yeah, so one of my favorite yellow-eyed facts is they will adjust the level of digestion.
Sa mga arong kang kuwan yan, ito pag arong kang penguin itong may triangle. Ito.
Heavily digested.
Yan o.
Less so. That's all done at the pH level. It's hormonally balanced by visual cues that they see in pigs.
Arong kang
So when
penguin.
they see the chicks getting large,
Tira.
Oh, lupa. No talking. Zoom ka. Ang pinakita ko to lang. Sige, zoom. Ayan o. Yan.
Ayan.
There.
See it?
Yeah.
Why is it only one?
They just come out of the water one at a time.
Mata ko na iling. Ito ang buwak. Baga.
Right.
Ito.
Bibigyan. Hindi lang turuan daw digay.
Hindi ko nga na Hindi ko na iling. Hindi na iling. O, ito baga. Magalang pa na siya.
So we just don't know when we're going to see them. Like they take fish in the sea.
What are those things? Is it seaweed?
Yeah, seaweed. Yeah, we call it kelp, but yeah, it's seaweed. Yeah.
The sea lion will not eat that one?
No, no. And humans, this is like protected, like a marine area, so it's not harvested or eaten. Yeah. The patterns are nice in the water, like photographers like it. We call it kelp, bull kelp. Māori and lucky to see too, so they're probably both from the farm. They could be both from the same nest. But the chicks live in that river that mum and dad and both of them bring back. It's still there. So it's changed, so it's gone past the wet sand and moved.
Dito. Ayun o.
Zoom, zoom. Zoom.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, I just look at it.
Zoom. Yo, one of them is looking. The one in the cave or...
Yan na. Pumasok na. We went inside now. Wala na.
Okay.